Bello traveled 45 hours across a country, not because he had to, but because he was part of the journey.
Oh my god.
Each morning begins the same way, in a quiet home where routines move gently. Before the young woman fully wakes, a soft flutter fills the air. Bello, a cuckoo parrot with calm eyes and bright feathers, lifts from his perch and flies to her bed. He lands without sound and waits. He knows she will open her eyes soon. He knows the scratches will come. When she stirs, her hand reaches out, and Bello leans forward, ready. This moment happens every day, steady and familiar, built through time and patience.
Can I kiss your footsie?
Bello sings for long stretches each day, sometimes 2 hours, sometimes more. His songs are not random noise, they are patterns he chooses and slowly changes. Old sounds fade away, new ones appear. It feels like listening to thoughts spoken aloud. His voice fills the home and settles into the background of daily life. It does not demand attention, it simply exists, warm and present.
Ta-da! Gotta talk louder. That's nice.
Life with Bello does not stay indoors. When the woman leaves the house, Bello goes with her. Leaving him behind never feels right. Some mornings, he seems to signal it clearly.
I gotta go. Dude! No! You safado! You're a good boy, huh?
Today is meant for outside. He loves open air. Wind moves his feathers. Light catches his wings. At the beach, he stays close. On the water, he rests beside her, watching the slow movement around them. These outings are not special events. They are part of shared life.
Hi. Wow! It's so fun! Hello.
The longest journey they took together changed everything. When they moved across the country from Toronto to British Columbia, Bello was there. 45 hours on the road, mile after mile. He stayed calm. He stayed present. To some, it seemed unnecessary. To her, it was never a question. Bello was not something left behind. He was part of the future, moving forward.
What are you doing? Come out.
3, 4, 5, 6. She's filming.
Parrots like Bello are often misunderstood. They are not decorations. They are not content with cages and toys alone. They are intelligent and deeply aware.
One, two, three.
They notice changes. They remember experiences. With lifespans that can reach many decades, they require long-term commitment. Consistency matters. Presence matters. Trust matters.
Oh! What are you doing on my bed? Let go. Let go of my hair. Let go of my hair. Let go of my hair.
Bello's past carried weight. Before this home, he had lived in 3 others. Each move left quiet marks. When he arrived, he was careful. For nearly 3 months, he would not allow hands near his head. Every movement was observed. Every touch was questioned. He stayed guarded, watching closely.
Bye, Daddy. Say bye. Bye. Bye, Daddy. Bye. Bye. Oh my goodness, you are bad. You are so bad.
Patience slowly changed things. Nothing was forced. A hand stayed nearby, then closer. One day, Bello allowed a brief touch. The next day, a little more. Each small step mattered. Trust grew at his pace, not anyone else's.
Yeah, good catch. Good catch.
Working from home brought another shift. During the day, Bello stays near her as she works. He sits beside the computer. Hours pass in quiet companionship. That time builds familiarity. It creates safety.
No. No. Not my earbuds. Not my earbuds. You wrecked too many of my earbuds, okay?
Over time, Bello became more confident. He sought affection more freely. He relaxed into shared space. 8 years have passed. And the bond continues to grow. The word pet no longer fits. Bello is not owned. He is a companion. There are sacrifices. Time is planned. Life adjusts. Yet the reward is steady and real. Bello's trust fills the home. His presence shapes the days.
Eh? You like laundry? Say hi. Good boy.
This story is shared with care for Bello and for animals who wait to be understood. If you consider welcoming a bird or special animal, take time to learn and prepare. Respect their needs and emotions. If this story stayed with you, a gentle like, share, or subscribe helps these quiet stories continue.
Catch him. Yeah! Wow! Good job! Yeah!
Wishpause is built on real connections and honest moments, always sourced responsibly and credited with respect. Through thoughtful editing, moving music, and genuine visuals, we strive to make every story breathe. Your support inspires us. We look forward to bringing you our next meaningful narrative.